Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here with a time and money saving tip today that's going to teach you to do two things at once. Clean your grinder and make a topical pain relieving rubbing alcohol formula. So, before I get to that, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So today we are going to make one of the simplest topical formulations of all, and that is an alcohol rub. Now I'm using some food grade alcohol today, but you could also use isopropyl alcohol as long as you're not going to ingest it. You never want to ingest isopropyl alcohol. But it does make a great rub if you have painful joints. You can rub it on that and get some relief from this very, very simple tincture. Now, since I am using food grade alcohol, you could also do this and actually consume the tincture as well. But if you're using isopropyl, be sure to only use it topically. Now, I have a jar here of tincture that I made the last time I did this, but I'm going to show you how I made that today. I have a cup here and a very kind of gunky, dirty grinder. So I'm going to take the grinder apart. And we're going to put it in here so we can clean it. Oh, there's a little bit of weed there that we'll just pour out right there. And I'm going to take this apart. I already took the keef out of the keef screen earlier, so there may be just a little bit of resin left there. So we're going to put all that in there. And all I have to do to make this is pour the alcohol over it. Now the alcohol will clean our grinder. And we're going to let that sit for an hour or so. I may agitate it a few times and we'll let that sit. And after about an hour or so, I can take the grinder parts out and they're going to be pretty clean. I may give them a rinse in hot water, but otherwise they're going to be clean. But what I'm going to have left behind is some weed-infused alcohol that I can use as a topical rub. So how easy is that? You're saving time, you're saving money, you're cleaning your grinder, and you're making a pain-relieving topical rub at the same time. What could be better than that?